Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 11, the half triple crochet. Now that you've learned the single crochet, the half double crochet and the double crochet, let's learn the half triple crochet. The half triple crochet, marked with the abbreviation HTR, is a stitch between the double crochet and the triple crochet. It creates a slightly taller stitch than the half double crochet and is often used to create various designs in beanies. Now that you have learned some tips on the half triple crochet, let's learn how to do it. Start by making a slip knot. And chain 15. Skip 3 chains and follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Yarn over twice and insert your crochet hook into the 4th chain from your hook. Step 2. Yarn over and pull a loop through the chain. You should now have 4 loops on your crochet hook. Step 3. Yarn over and pull it through only 2 loops. Step 4. And finally, yarn over again and pull it through the remaining 3 loops. And that is how you make the half triple crochet. To continue making the half triple crochets, simply follow steps 1 to 4 again and again until you have no chains left. So we yarn over twice and insert a crochet hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, making sure that you have 4 loops on your crochet hook, yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, and finally yarn over and pull it through the remaining 3 loops. So just keep making the half triple crochets and I will be back to show you what to do next. Once you are at the end of your row, you should have 12 stitches. Then turn your crochet piece and chain 3 for a half triple crochet. Make sure to skip these 3 chains before making the half triple crochet. Otherwise, you are basically going to add 1 extra stitch to your piece and the row will not go up evenly. To continue making the half triple crochets, just do what you did before, making sure that you insert your crochet hook into the half triple crochets from row 1. You can crochet as many rows as you like just for practice, but make sure you work half triple crochets into each stitch from previous rows. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please consider subscribing to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 12, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.